My name is João Abrão. I'm in charge of the electronics department at Olympus Medical Products, Portugal. To meet the growing demand for repairs to medical devices, we had to expand our operations by constructing a new building. This has been hugely beneficial to us. As part of this expansion, we also wanted to purchase new equipment for our technicians, who safeguard the quality of our services.
My name is Tiago Martins.
I am the head of the technical department here in the new building. Without our employees, we can't do anything. This is why we opted for workbenches that are more ergonomic, benches that are suitable for our work requirements and at the same time improve the working conditions for our technicians. One of our key requirements was for an ergonomically designed working environment. This is the only way of safeguarding our employees' well-being at work and ensuring we can offer our customers high-quality products. Working together with ITEM proved extremely helpful in this regard. ITEM is always on hand to give us exactly the support we need. They respond quickly when challenges arise. Visually, the new workbenches are a definite improvement. They have a state-of-the-art, high-quality look.
All in all, the new tables and their functions have helped to increase comfort for us as employees. As a result, the quality of our work has once again improved.
There are many reasons why we opted to work together with ITEM. Compared to its competitors, the company's attitude really stood out. We liked that. We were then also impressed by the technical knowledge of the ITEM staff. We quickly felt confident we could trust ITEM, and we were right, because we are very happy with the end result.